Select the lasso tool. Make a rough selection. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus J to cut out the selected area in a new layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Select both layers and merge them. Make a selection. Select Add to Selection. Make a second selection. Go to Edit, Generative Fill. Prompt, Ripped Paper Edge. You get 3 different results. If you don't like the results, you can generate again. You have 3 new variations now. And that's how you create a ripped paper effect.